Hey Shelby, the cops just left. You okay? Yeah, I'm fine. No, you're not. You just had something very traumatic happen to you, and it's okay if you're not feeling okay right now. I'm feeling a lot of things right now. I'm disgusted. I'm angry. And that's completely understandable. Your feelings are valid. I would feel the exact same way. I'm freaking fuming right now, so I can only imagine how you feel. I'm just so angry with myself. Why? You didn't do anything wrong. Because he's been coming here for months, and I thought he had a legit disorder, and I felt bad for him. Shelby, he was extremely convincing. He had me for a moment. Exactly. It didn't take you long to pick up that he wasn't good. I didn't get that vibe from him. Shelby, you don't need to feel bad about the fact that you try your hardest to see the good in everybody. Yeah, well, it seems like more of a flaw than anything. It's not a flaw, it is a gift. Do you know how many people look up to people like you? You have the ability to display kindness to everybody that crosses paths with you. You have so much love in your heart. And it is an amazing thing that you just look for the good in anybody. There's nothing wrong with that. Honestly, I used to be exactly like you, and I still try my best to see the good in people. But so many people have bit me along the way that I'm just so overly aware of their characteristics, and I analyze them nonstop. So it's easier for me to pick up on other people's vibes, mainly when they're projected to other people. It's more so goes under the radar when they're one-on-one with me. So that's why I think it was pretty easy for me to pick up those vibes with him, because I have a sense of protection over you. And it's something that you'll learn along the way too. Thank you. Well, you see, but he's not coming back here, right? Heck no. He is banned. There's a restraining order out on him now, and they confiscated his phone. So you won't have to worry about him anymore, okay? Thank you. And I also went ahead and covered all of your shifts in case you want to take this week off to kind of have a moment to yourself, because I know this is pretty traumatic for you.